Ford Motor Company is committed to innovation, as can be seen here on this 2011 Ford Explorer, with features such as MyKey teen safety technology and the industry-first inflatable rear seatbelt. And now, building upon our AdvanceTrac with roll stability control, we have a new feature called Curve Control. We've all had that experience where you've exited the off-ramp too quickly or the turn got tighter than you expected. Curve Control can reduce the engine power and provide smart four-wheel braking to bring the vehicle speed down to a level that allows you to negotiate that curve. Ford researchers have found that approximately 50,000 accidents in the U.S. alone can be attributed to excessive speed while negotiating a curve. Curve Control will be standard on the new Explorer and will be on 90% of our North American crossovers, SUVs, vans, and pickups by 2015.